Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to close your Cash App account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So closing your Cash App means to permanently delete or deactivate your account. So for this, first of all, you need to open your Cash App account. Once you open it by tapping on the app, you need to now null your cash balance by transferring it to another account as you are closing this particular account. So once you have made your balance to zero, you will have this kind of interface and you will need to now tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. Once you're here, all you need to do now is simply scroll down to the end of the screen. Once you scroll down, you will find an option called support. Now you need to simply tap on that particular option. After you tap on it, in the search bar, you need to type in close my Cash App account. Once you do this, you will get several options to do so, so simply tap on close your Cash App account. After you have done this as well, now you need to fill in all the criteria that are necessary to close your account, and after it's done, you need to hit the confirm button. Once everything is sorted out, you will be able to close your Cash App account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos.